Commissioner for Health, Professor Akin Abayomi, says Lagos is intensifying efforts to improve healthcare infrastructure and reposition the state as a leading medical tourism destination in Africa. He was speaking at the 2026 Ministerial briefing held in Lagos. Adekola Hastrop filed in this report.
It is the 2026 Interministerial Press Briefing, a part of activities commemorating the 7th year in office of Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu. Commissioner for Health, Professor Akin Abayomi, highlights the achievements of the state health sector, covering primary, secondary, and tertiary health sectors, focusing on universal health coverage, infrastructural upgrades, and digitalization.
Strengthening our primary healthcare system and governance in Lagos is extremely important as we consider the primary healthcare to be the bedrock of care. What Mr. Governor did was to strengthen the oversight by creating 6 districts within the primary healthcare platform. And in each district, there is to be oversight from an experienced administrator in the form of a PS. So there are 6 PSs governing the 6 districts of our decentralized primary healthcare. 7 primary healthcare facilities. Those are some of the examples there. And if you look through this list, we've also included additional renovations from the BHCPF and from various, the Hope Foundation and so on, the Hope Project. And so we're really working very hard on the primary healthcare platform to transform it infrastructurally and make sure that it is something that we can be proud of.
Speaking on Lagos's long-term healthcare vision, Abayomi says the state's 2052 development plan is designed to transform Lagos into a model megacity and position it among the 3 top healthcare destinations in Africa within the next decade.
Now, as far as the secondary hospitals are concerned, this is our first Lagos State Green Design prototype. From here, we're going to develop multiple facilities. And here's the first prototype of our general hospital design, and this is the Massey Children's Hospital. And we've started to develop this facility. This was about 3 years ago. You can see there on Osborne Road and Adeniji Adele Road, is sandwiched between those 2 roads. This was when we were clearing the site, and this is what it looks like now. 10 floors of the most advanced children's specialist referral hospital in West Africa.
Abayomi notes that Governor Sanwo-Olu has domesticated the National Health Insurance Authority Act through an executive order signed on July 16, 2024, making health insurance mandatory for all residents living in Lagos State.
Now we need to harness public-private partnerships. Here we have an example of a public-private partnership in the Lagos Island General Hospital. It's called the Amotunde Ajoke Core Hospital, where the private sector are going to transform this facility into a smart health, cutting-edge facility. We're very proud of the Lagos State Comprehensive Cancer and Diagnostic Center to be built here in Alausa, just around the corner. This will be the most comprehensive cancer diagnostic center in West Africa.
Abayomi adds that Lagos State recently held a strategic retreat involving the Health Ministry, Primary Health Care Board, and the local government chairmen to develop a performance-based strategy aimed at strengthening coordination across all tiers of health systems.